Hello everyone, I am Ashutosh Roy and today I am gonna talk about the topic which gonna change the face of security issues for coming generation. As we get introduced to the use of internet in 19th century by the help of scientist Tim Berners-Lee, it's changed the face of science that time. And today it has been developed so much that it needs some security. So here we gonna discuss about its new security system called palm vein technology. Palm vein technology is the technology in this upcoming technology in this world. Palm vein technology is the world's first contactless personal identification system that is similar to the biometric system, but instead of scanning the fingerprint, it scans the veins of the palm of a person. It is one of the biometric authentication technologies. To know further more about it, let's go to the next slide. Being contactless means it is more hygienic and friendly, user friendly. So it has no issues with the persons who is using it. You don't have to physically touch it, just it's gonna scan it from a distance. So it's completely safe and being known to the today's hygienic issue, it is completely safe. How secure is this technology? This is the question being asked by the persons if it's come to the market. So it is so secured that it cannot be frauded, as the veins are inside our body and every individual have their different vein system. Like the pattern of the vein will be different from one over another. Even it is identical twins, they will also have a different pattern of the veins. So it is completely impossible to do the fraud in this case. So it is more secure than the biometric system. Then the question arises, like what happen if registered palm get damaged? Like we can ask, like person are so curious that they can ask if they are working and their palm is getting cut or something happens, so what will be there? So if there is chance of palm register get damaged, we cannot use this technology. So during that time, registration of that vein, both the hands can be done. So that if one palm is like damaged or something happens, if somebody has gone under surgery or some accidents happen, a person can use other hand too, as both the hands have different vein patterns. So we it's like full secure system. Now people will say, why will adapt to a new technology as we have already a biometric system? So as we have already a biometric system, it has got so much of flaws, like flaws like they are using unethical means to assess the system of the persons and many more. As I have discussed, like down in the tab, like how it's different from the fingerprint technology. Palm vein technology is having lower false acceptance rates and false rejection rate, but in the fingerprint it has higher than the palm vein technology. Due to having low FAR and FRR, like false acceptance rate and false rejection rate, biometric consider more accurate biometric modality. But same as in the fingerprint system, it has lower uh, accuracy, so it is less than the palm vein technology. It is like cost is higher than the biometric, but is more secure. Today's world need the security, and so for security reason they can compromise with the cost. The applications, now people will go and ask where we can use this system, as the system is still under the trial. So it is my duty to answer that, like, this system can be used in the following ways, as I have mentioned, and many more in the coming era. Some of the application of these systems can be used in ATM, personal computers, in hospitals and libraries, and in authentications. As we know, we are going online these days due to the situation pandemic occurring in the world. Authentication is the plays a major role in this time. Like, we go for the online banking, online transactions, online certifications, online contracts. Authentication is the important and critical point in this thing. So for authentication, it is the most secure thing. Like, it can scan the veins of the particular person who is authorized to do the thing. In hospital and libraries, it can be used in the several, like we are using now cards, swipe cards to open the ICU or OT. You can use the palm as shown in the some of the sci-fi movie, science fiction movie. Personal computers, as we know, we are more nowadays getting secured to our systems. So it is one of the essential applications that can be used for our computers. And of course the ATM, the trailing machine, the where we takes money out and use for our daily commercial purchases. As we know that still there are some of the flaws in that system, so this system can rectify that, as the concerned person can only be authorized to take the money out, and if somebody deliberately tries to open it and tries to forge with that, it will not allow them and shows an error. So as it is under the progress, so we can expect that this could be a great game changer in the coming field of the security in the future. So here I conclude myself by saying that as we are developing, the systems are also developing, and the new things, new threats, new intruders brains are also developing. So this system is a challenge for them, and I think this will be more successful than biosensor or biometric technology. Thank you.